Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to register your T-Mobile postpaid number quickly and correctly so you can start using your line without issues. If you've just received a new T-Mobile postpaid SIM or number but can't make calls, send messages, or access mobile data, it's usually because the line hasn't been properly registered with T-Mobile's network. Many users see errors like SIM not active or network unavailable, which can be frustrating. Don't worry, I'll show you step-by-step how to register your postpaid number and ensure your service works perfectly. Now, let's fix it, step by step. Step 1. Insert your T-Mobile SIM. Start by inserting your T-Mobile postpaid SIM into your phone. Make sure the device is powered off when inserting, then turn it back on. Step 2. Check for signal. Once your phone is on, check the signal bar. If you see no signal, try restarting your phone again or reseating the SIM. Step 3. Activate your line online or via app. Open the T-Mobile app or go to my.tmobile.com/activate. Sign in with your T-Mobile ID or create one if you don't have an account. Follow the prompts to activate and register your new postpaid number. Sometimes activation can take a few minutes. Don't panic if your signal doesn't appear immediately. Step 4. Verify your identity. During registration, T-Mobile may ask for ID verification to confirm your account. Provide the required details exactly as requested to avoid delays. Step 5. Test your line. Make a test call, send a message, or open mobile data to confirm your postpaid number is active. If it works, your line is fully registered and ready to use. If calls or data don't work, try toggling airplane mode on and off. It often fixes network recognition issues. Important notes. Make sure your SIM is postpaid, not prepaid, as the registration process differs. Keep your device connected to a strong T-Mobile signal during activation. Registration may take a few minutes. Don't attempt multiple activations at once. And that's it. Your T-Mobile postpaid number should now be fully registered and active. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick carrier tutorials.